Enkuyanja y'abantu omwabazi ogw'eriizooba bayishuka kanisa ya St James Cathedral omurro Harumbarra okushabira omu birgobira ry'omuhwezi wa RDC wa Kitagwenda Joseph Muhoozi Sekasamba. Dr. James Tweheyo, komishona wa RDC omukugamba kwe yasima Joseph Sekasamba ahabwa emirimo yakolire gavumenti. Dr. Tweheyo nagira ngu babire bahereze kuhandikira President Museveni bari kumushaba sente $500,000 ez'okutwara Sekasamba heru okumutamu ensugu endijo.
Kwizere yazo mu office yitwaganira namwe tandike bara itwarire omukuru abakozi mu office ya President bagitaho sekretari yita mukono twajohereza aha meza ya President nabatakaje sanction ni bamuhe sente kabane $500,000 kugenda kumutamu ensugu bambe cyashita kabiri.
Abekaye bamugamba hunko muntabira ine rukundo ya buryo umwe kandi basima government ahabwo kumwesiga bakamutorana nka RDC.
And as a family, the truth of the matter is we became so happy when this gentleman was appointed as the RDC. We saw his energy that he had put in.
Sangogo niwoka bapeze kushoma kwa njomuka wa alutanga senior 1 akushoma Kampala kuyamarisha kwa kuyamugamba kuya wumbiri ishangamba aida ya jambo inenda ya mbona mwenye Joseph tukimeneza kwa Joseph mbona mwenye aida inenda ya Sekasamba
namubaza natura no because thank him and that nenda kumahori abakubani wokunje and I was like it's fine I'll go with you. Joseph, besides being my brother, we are close friends.
Kuna ajira ofisi ya President nataka kukora hatkanu Sekasamba yatere abashuma bakaba batabaza Sekasamba burizo ubuya gacira rero kumenya Kampala mukono wa so abashuma batakaniyo bata ya wana ya fana mu biro mutabaza kandi n'umuntu vero ganeze kandi winoye.
Sekasamba afire nyumwabazyo ubwa rwitwa uburwire bw'ensugo ahirwa rurerure ryambara regional referral.
Joseph was looking very good. He was looking good na nababira bandi nabamja Joseph ezano urebe kajata ati minamani really. Yes, of course, for in a kidney failure you cannot be at 100% like everybody can be, but he was looking very good.
Sekasamba aferira ha myaka 85 y'obukuru yasiga omwana omwe w'omwojo kandi omubiri gwe nigwija kuzikwa nyenkya kare omuri Karira Shema.